All right, then there's also the Mangione, Luigi Mangione, who was the guy who allegedly killed the head of healthcare, the CEO of the healthcare company, United Healthcare, thank you, about 3 blocks north of where we are right now. So he was in court, and the judge decided he was being tried for first-degree murder and terrorism. But the judge dropped those charges.
Crazy that they dropped it.
Dropped it as a terrorist and changed it to second-degree murder because we were told that in New York, first-degree means aggravated circumstances, which means I want to kill other people. And the terrorism is coercing the general government. So Jim Trustee, who's Donald Trump's attorney, said that you can thank the progressive system in New York for that.
Yeah, they have this. This is not like this in every state. They require you to have this aggravating circumstance. You hear a lot of in these cases, whether it was a crowd or minors were in the way. And because they didn't have that, that's why the judge decided to. But it was the crowd, Brian.
Which means he won't have to stay in prison for the rest of his life. First degree would do that. Second degree, I think the max is 45. Is that right, Brian?
Well, am I right? The state they're still going to do first degree.
They're still going to do that.
So by
at the state level.
Yeah. And the feds can still charge him with that.
Here's what the judge said. This is his rationale. You tell me if you buy this. The people presented sufficient evidence that the defendant murdered Brian Thompson in a premeditated, calculated execution. So he believes that.
Right.
That does not mean that the defendant did so with terroristic intent. The defendant's apparent objective, as stated in the writings, was not to be threatened, to intimidate, or coerce, but rather to draw attention to what he perceived as the greed of the insurance industry. So he looked at the manifesto and said, he wasn't trying to terrorize the whole town. He just wanted to send a message to the healthcare industry. I mean, so that's not terrorism?
No.
Well, what if you worked in town? What if there are other healthcare companies in the area? Right. Are you not terrorized? If I'm a person who works in a rival healthcare company, why don't I feel like I could be targeted by a guy who had a problem with the healthcare industry?
But Jim Trustee is saying this judge had to make that decision because of the
way the statute
laws.
was.
If you read the law,
he was hemmed in.
Right.
I just couldn't get enough of. I was flabbergasted at the crowd out there that were cheering. One lady said that she was dating him on AI.
Married to him
Good
on
God.
AI. Look, all of them are excited that it's now second-degree murder.
Yeah. I mean, imagine if you're the parents of these kids. You're going, my kid is out there cheering for a murderer. And in case you say, well, he hasn't been convicted yet, do you have a TV? Do you have a device? Look at the video. He did it. He got caught with it. He wrote about it. He basically confessed to it.
But to that point, Brian, there's been all these calls for unity, and I want to unify. I really do. I think it's good for the. But how do you unify with that?
You can't unify with that.
With people that celebrate murder. I just can't. I can't be around these type of people.
Right. And by the way, Mangione, totally insincere. He has no problem with the healthcare company. He got all the healthcare he wanted. He's come from a rich family.
Rich.
He could have paid everything cash. Where's this family of his with all their resources? Why don't they come out and explain themselves? Also, the Thompson family. I'd love to hear from them. How do they feel about them cheering outside the execution of your dad, your husband, your uncle, your friend? So they're very silent on that side. I find that mysterious.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhardt. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.